broskies, welcome back to another video. So I just got out of my room from all that crying. If you guys don't remember, last time we found out that the 370Z has a blown head gasket. I received a couple calls from my homies. They are good mechanics and they suggested that I use a gasket sealer on the car and see if it works. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alfonso just pulled up en el Tesla mamalón. ¿Listo, gordo? ¿Hacer mágica, güey? Think it's gonna work or no?
I don't know.
Shit.
No comment.
No comment. Ahorita va a venir el Chris, güey. We're gonna be using Blue Devil liquid, güey. Supuestamente, güey, esa madre hace magia. We're about to find. I mean, it won't hurt to try, huh?
That shit's fucking seized.
That shit fucking blows up, güey, y se prende la pinche casa, güey. No, but I mean, fuck it.
That shit's gonna lock up the fucking
The transmission, güey. Ya no le va a entrar los pinches first and second gear. I mean, wait, fuck it. She said, if something happens, wait, I have another engine. I was gonna do that regardless, change the engine, but
Try to save this.
yeah, I'm gonna try to save this one. See if it works, you know? Fuck. Yeah, because I'm trying to save the hassle of removing the engine and then removing the engine from the other 370. So it's a pain. But we're gonna try it out. We're just gonna wait for Chris and then I'm gonna get his input because he has done it before and he said that it worked, way for like 50,000 miles, way todavía. He's
At least.
A ver,
Couple laps.
way. I know. Nah, hopefully. I mean, dice que le duró 50,000 miles. I put like 30 miles on the car every time I take it to the track, so it should last. It should last a long time. It should last a long time, we know. But I mean, at the track, sí se calienta a lot too. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. The city sent me another letter, like a courtesy letter, saying that I need to cut my grass because it's too big. I cut the front lawn already, but might as well. I'm gonna start doing the backyard work. So, all right, guys. So Alfonso just went to AutoZone and picked up the Miracle Maker. This is the Blue Devil head gasket sealer. Let's read it. It says blown head gaskets, warped, cracked heads.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Leaking heater cores, leaking freeze plugs. A ver, directions. Cooling system must be clean and free flowing before applying Blue Devil head gasket sealer.
Pour slowly. Slowly pour Blue Devil into the radiator. Take 1 minute. Pour time for the entire bottle. 30 seconds for half a bottle. After pouring Blue Devil, slowly let vehicle idle with cap on for 50 minutes. You do not need to flush the system a second time after process is complete. Let engine cool before installing new thermostat. Drain enough fluid to refill with compatible antifreeze.
So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. On this one, since the thermostat, they're basically like one piece to the housing. I'm gonna have to destroy the thermostat and then we'll probably have to buy another one. Or I believe the reason for taking off the thermostat is because this thing is gonna clog it up, so it's not gonna let water flow through the radiator. So it's recommended to take off the thermostat. In this case, we're gonna destroy it. So let's take it off y luego lo destruimos, güey. Pinche grinder. We'll put a grinder to it. Pásame una flathead 10. Flathead 10. I mean flathead. My bad. Flathead screwdriver. ¿Qué te dije? Flathead 10.
Flathead 10. I was like, a bolt or what?
No, flathead screwdriver. My bad. Hoy no más. This fool.
This nigga.
I'm excited, güey. What if it fixes it?
How much, chico?
Ahí está. What if it does fix it? It's another 50,000 miles.
Hey, does it say guarantee or your money back?
Let's see. Hopefully. Alright, guys, so the Blue Devil bottle that we just bought, it cost $77.
$76.64.
77 bucks. So it is a little expensive. I mean, if it works, then it's really cheap, you know. But if it doesn't work, it's pretty expensive. It's gonna suck destroying. No, because este es un Mishimoto way, so this one opens up a little sooner. I didn't want to destroy my thermostat because it's a Mishimoto. I'm gonna see. I have some blown DE engines. I'm gonna see if the thermostat is the same. I believe it is the same because I bought two of them y uno le quedó al 350. But I mean, it's a HR way, so. Oh, but I have HR engines.
Yeah. This is the same?
Yeah, this one's the same. DEs and HRs are different. This is a HR, the 370Z is a VHR, which HRs and VHRs, they share similar parts. Yeah, because I remember buying that Mishimoto for the 370, and then another one, it was the same one for the 350, for the 350Z HR. So, good to know, good to know. This is a spare HR engine for my 350Z. It's good. And then I have another one that's for parts. It's right there. Nomás que that one, I think that one had like a rod knock. No cabes, güey. No cabes. Aguas. Verga, si cabes. Alright, hold on. Ahí te van las pinches. Todito. Alright, I'm putting the last bolt on the thermostat. We're gonna get some water. We're gonna pour the Blue Devil. And we're gonna cross our fingers. Hopefully it works. Tomorrow's my birthday, guys, so I don't want anything. I don't want no presents. As long as my car works, I think that's like the best present anybody can ask for, you know. Entonces, ¿cuánto le echamos, güey? A la verga. I forgot to connect the hose again. Mira nomás. I was about to blow the head gasket for the second time. Alright, broskis, I think we are ready to go. We destroyed the thermostat and we are about to pour the devil's what? The Blue Devil. ¿Sí lo voy a atinar o no? Oh, and it's blue. Should we pour the whole bottle o qué pedo? Send it?
Send it.
I don't know, for some reason it kind of feels wrong way. Ni pedo, I mean the engine's already messed up, huh? What else could go wrong?
Losing 80 bucks.
Losing 80 bucks. Che, gordo, le dije que le echara agua en el bote este. And he rather turn on the hose. Préndela al pasito, güey. You can close it already. Let me go get the key first. Alright, boys, the moment of truth. I'm about to start the car. And then the bottle says we gotta let it idle for, I think, a couple minutes. A ver si prende el pinche carro. Last time it was struggling to start. Oh. We're gonna let it idle. Alright, the bottle says we have to let it idle for 50 minutes. We're gonna let it sit for 50 minutes and then we'll turn it off and see what happens. Update on the car. So I started the car at 8:10. It's 8:28, so 18 minutes have passed by. The car hasn't overheated. It's idling pretty good. Before that liquid, I'm gonna tell you guys something. It would idle weird, like if it had a misfire Right now it's idling fine, like nothing's wrong with the car. You guys can see it's got it's like right in the middle, heated, and the car's idling fine. It's not smoking or anything, so it's kind of weird. Before the Blue Devil, I noticed that the car would overheat right away, and right now it's not overheating. But it could also be because the thermostat is wide open, so we're just gonna have to wait and find out. At 9 on the dot, I'm gonna turn off the car, and then it should be good. We have reached our 50-minute wait time or idle time. The car never overheated. It's idling perfectly fine. I think it worked. So now I'm gonna turn off the car. All right, we're gonna turn off the car, and then we are gonna. All right, something sounds weird. Something sounds really weird. Oh, it's the overflow. We're good. No te espantes. No me espantes, way. So we're gonna do an oil change, and then we are gonna test it out. But we're gonna have to wait for another day. Alright guys, it is the next day. We're gonna start taking off the oil. I wanna give a special shout out to Danny for hitting me up on my IG. He said he saw the last video where I talked about looking for a clutch pedal for my S13 truck, and he came through. I picked it up last night. So if you're watching this, Danny, thank you. Alfonso brought the new oil. We replaced the oil, and now I'm gonna try to bleed it. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a quick test drive on the car. See how it drives. Alright guys, I just turned off the car. The car started overheating when I parked it. I think the Blue Devil stuff did not work. The car idle's cool and everything, it just keeps overheating. So, and we put the gravity funnel, and it still kept throwing bubbles. So not a lot, but a little bit. I think probably with another one of that, se hace. What do you think? I think so, but I'd rather just switch the motor at this point, a la verga, you know, because it's another $100, way. And then check out the oil, it's all nasty. So I think the engine, I think the head's probably warped or something, the block. It's pretty bad. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. At least we tried to fix the car. We have another engine, so we're good. I just gotta find the time to take out the engine from the other car. It's a big mess, so I don't want to think about it right now. So for now, the car's gonna sit. I think I'm gonna focus on my 240 truck, since we do have that clutch pedal. Again, shout out to Danny. And we're gonna get my 240 going and throw this car in the back burner for now. Peace out.